if you are looking for a practical course about scraping data from websites that use APIs to release their data, you don't have to miss this video, because this website uses APIs in the background to load the data, and also you need to scroll infinitely to see the data. So I believe many of you are looking for this tutorial, and also at the end we want to reach to this data. But first of all, let me talk about this website. It is named Digikala. It is like maybe Amazon. Yeah, it has some products, users, and I mean people can buy and purchase product in this website, and we want to scrape all available products in this website for the incredible offers section, as you can see in the URL. And for each product, which is about maybe 500 if I'm not mistaken, I'm not sure, but we want to scrape the ID for that product, we want to scrape the title, the original price, the incredible price for that product, and also we want to scrape the product URL, the available images as you can see, and also the available colors, for example black, red, and other things. And that's it. So it's going to be really crazy and practical. You don't have to miss this video. And if you're interested, I have a beginner course which is completely free in 3 hours about web scraping for infants. Sounds crazy. And I will cover request library in Python, also beautiful soup, which is great for parsing the data. So if you want to learn more, you don't have to miss this course as well. And about this tutorial, I mean scraping data from an Iranian e-commerce website, I have a written article here which gives you more and extra information about this tutorial. So you can check this out as well, and I will put this link in the description. So save the time. If you're ready, let's get started. Okay, let me create a Python file for this scraper. I want to call it as maybe scraper.py. Okay, no problem. And I want to use HTTPX and JSON only. JSON to load the data to JSON format, and also save the scraped or extracted data into JSON file. Okay, you just have to say pip install HTTPX. Okay, so now let's see what we want. Okay, how data is released. As I said before, it uses some APIs. So let's open the favorite tab, network tab, and let me just clear everything and refresh this page. I found that data is released. I mean, you have to check fetch XHR, and as you go, let me just first open the page one. I mean, data is located in where is it? Oh my god. Okay, let me calm down. Okay, now yeah, product page equals to 2. Okay, so yeah, and it should be another one for the first page. Yeah, here. Okay, my bad, I was not able to see. So data is data is released using this API. Okay, https api.digikala.com version 1 incredible offers products page 1. Okay, so everything that we want is located, comes from this API. And if you check the payload, so if we scroll, as you saw, if we scrolled a little bit and we got this for page 2, and if we scroll more, let me just filter this by product. Now you can see what am I talking about. So if you scroll, you can see that, oh yeah, page 3. And also let me scroll more, yeah, page 4. So our job is not complex that much. So we just need to create a loop and increase the page number, I mean the payload for that API, okay? And that's it. And then, so it is our job, okay? So we first send a GET request to this URL because it is a GET request, and then in response we receive this wonderful information such as the pager. What is the pager? Okay, it says that we are currently on page 3. There are 363 items available for this page. I mean for the whole data that we are looking for, and also we have 19 pages, okay, total underscore pages, okay? So it is really crazy and good, and we can paginate the website and API so fast and simple. It is quite handy, as you can see. And then you can see that in products, wow, we have everything that we want. Look, yeah, there are I think there are 19 product for each request that we send. I mean, each request for this API gives us 20, okay, because it starts from here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, no, 19. Oh, maybe, yeah, 20. And because it starts from 0. And yeah, we just need to send a GET request first, okay, to first see how many pages do we have, okay? For example, 19 pages. Then we create a loop from 1 to 19 each time, and then we parse these wonderful data using JSON, okay? For example, we say that, okay, from data, from data, we go to the product, okay? After data, we go to the product, and in product, we just need to create another loop and parse these information, such as I said, the colors, maybe the images, and other things, okay? And also title in Farsi. We do not have any title in English format, unfortunately, for this website. But I try to translate as much as I can. For example, it مغز گردو سفید صبحانه. So okay, so yeah, that's it. So let's code, and let's start. So now you know that we have a base URL, okay, because we want to increase this. And let me just copy the base URL here, okay, and yeah, but we do not have any pages here, okay. And first we want to send a GET request to see how many pages do we need or do we have for pagination, okay, for pagination part. So first we say that response is equal to HTTPX dot get, okay. HTTPX is quite handy and good. So we send a GET request to base URL, okay, but not base URL. We know that it is a string. I want to say that you have to add this to this string, so it becomes page equals to 1, okay, because it's a string, and when we add a string and character to this string, it adds to the end of that string, okay, you know, okay. I don't have to talk about that. And also I want to say that I have a timeout for these requests because I have a problem with my internet, and I just using a timeout for 30 seconds, okay. It is for HTTPX, okay. You can remove this part if you want, okay. So now we just sent a request, and I say that data is equal to JSON dot loads, because we know that the data that we want is in JSON format. If you just check the response instead of preview, you can see that, okay, it is completely a JSON format data. So now we can directly use our JSON.loads to make it more or readable for JSON, because we want to go through data and parse some details, okay. We say that, okay, you just have to convert response.text, okay, and now we have a data. So Let me print the data for you. I know that it kills my terminal, but anyway, so yeah, let's run this code. Python scraper.py. Okay, HTTPS is not defined, not HTTPS, HTTPX. Okay, and yeah, let's rerun this code. Okay, once again, where is it? Oh, I don't know, my bad. Yeah, oops, we have many crazy things here. Okay, so we are in a good place for page 1. Okay, no matter we are in what page. Okay, we can take the pager data for all available requests and pages. So we can simply say that, okay, total pages is equal to, now we just converted this data in a format that we can go through it. We can say that in data, let me see, where is the pager? Pager is in data. Okay, so first we need to go to data, then we need to go to pager, and then we need to go to total pages. Okay, let's see how it works. So we can say that, okay, we need to go to data first, and then from data we need to go to pager, if I'm not mistaken, and then you should go to total underscore pages. Yeah, so just let me print this price. What is the price, man? Main total pages. Okay, yeah, let's run this code, and boom, 19. So yeah, you just saw the power of JSON parsing. Okay, anyway, so now we have the total pages. Now it's time to say that we for example, we want to say that, okay, for page, maybe for page in range from 1, because we need to send another request to the first page to extract its data too. That's why I'm using from 1 to total pages. Okay, sounds reasonable. Okay, and then once again we have the URL. So URL is equal to base URL plus the page. Okay, but it is integer, so we need to convert it to a string when we want to add it to the base URL string page. And so now we have the URL, and for example, if we print the URL here, you can see that yeah, it is exactly what we want. Okay, I think when I run the code, it is more convenient and easier to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, because speaking in English can be a little bit tough. And so now I just want to add a log here, such as for example, f-string working on maybe URL. Okay, that is more reasonable. Okay, nice. So then now we need to send a GET request once again, but not for pages, for data. Okay, that we want. Response, let me, okay, response is equal to HTTPX that get to that. Let me just copy the timeout, get, and I say that to the URL and for this timeout. Okay, because I have a problem with my net, as I said before. So now we are in a good place. So now once again we say that data is equal to json.load response.text and yeah, and now we do not need a pager, we want the products. Okay, so let's see in data, let me go to page 1. In data, right after data, I mean, if you go to products, you simply take all available product in a list. Okay, because you can see that it is an array. Okay, so I believe you have watched my previous videos, so that's why I'm don't explaining too much. Yeah, don't explaining too much maybe. English is really boring. So yeah, we say that the products that we want is located in data. We need to go to data, and then instead of pager and total pager, we simply say that, okay, go to products or products. Yeah. So now it's time to create another loop and go through each array or maybe each product. We simply say that, okay, for product in products, maybe you should do something. Okay, we want to add for example, I can say that let me just create a empty list here, parsed data. Okay, thanks to suggestion. And then in each loop we take the data and append our data to append our data in each product to the main parse data, and at the end we convert it into JSON and then save it. Okay, easy. So yeah, so what we want, we don't know what we want. Okay, we just say that, okay, parse data that append what it should append. Let's see what we want. Okay, for example, we want let me see, there is a maybe, wait, where is the ID? Okay, simply we can see that the ID is here, so we can say okay, the ID, okay, maybe product underscore ID is equal to, it is the same as we did for, here we can say that, okay, in pro, which is for each array, you can say that, okay, I want the ID. Okay, these are some maybe some keys in dictionary. Okay, you cannot say, okay, IDs. Okay, it is ID, exactly what you can see here. Okay, and there is a title here. Okay, title FA maybe, and also we have title EN. Nice. Maybe that's why I use the translate once, but I just want to use title FA for Farsi or Persian, because I believe sometimes there is no title for English. Okay, but it's not about, we don't want to use this data. Okay, I just want to show you, and it's an educational video. Okay, so we simply say that okay, the title is equal to pro, and we say title underscore FA, if I'm not mistaken, for the title. Okay, I don't want to run this code because I just created a loop and it sent 19 requests. Okay, I just run the whole data and code at the end. So next, what we want, let's see how we can take the product URL. There is a URL here. Yeah, let me just see. Yeah, we can simply take this one. Okay, from URL. Yeah, in the URL we can just take the product URL, and we say product maybe URL is equal to pro, and it is in the URL, and it is only one. Okay, so we don't need to go deeper. And the next thing is based on my checklist is images. Let's see how we can take the images. Yeah, you can find the images here, and in the main we have some URL here and also web URL, and I found that we can simply take the images and it gives us all available images, because some products have some thumbnails, some of them have, for example, some high resolution images, so we don't know what we may see. Okay, for other products, that's why I'm just taking the images. Okay, and it gives us all available images in that data. And if you're interested, you can go deeper and scrape data with more details. Okay, images, if I'm not mistaken, images. Okay, what's next? Images. Nice. Okay, pro images, and also for the colors, where is the colors? Hopefully they are in English format. Images, yeah, colors, yeah, here you can meshki means black, okay, Persian, okay, abi blue, sefid, white. If you want to learn Persian, let me know, I will create a video for okay, anyway. So yeah, we simply, after product, we need to go to colors, okay, I mean for each product. So we simply say that, okay, the color is equal to, maybe with the S, pro, yeah, colors. Nice. Let me just see. Okay, so what's next? I think the price. And where is the price? We can see that here, I think it was in default variant. Okay, oh my god, default variant. There is a price here, and here maybe, let me see, yeah, in default variant, let me, okay, it is to, okay, in product we need to go to default variant, and there is a price there. Okay, we saw the price, but where is the price? Where is the RRP price? Oh yeah, it is the price, and here, yeah, oh my god, there is a RRP price. It is the original price, which is 8,000 maybe, if I'm not mistaken, and there is a selling price, which is the incredible price for that product. I mean, it is the incredible offers. Okay, the website gives some discount on its product. That's why we are scraping this data. Maybe it is useful for some, but not for many. Yeah, so then we need to say that selling price, okay, and RRP price. But I found that when I was practicing on this website, I found that sometimes there is no price for some product because they are sold out. Okay, that's why I say that the urge price, maybe, yeah, the urge price is equal to let me, yeah, the urge price is equal to we need to go to default variant, the pro, and what was that, default. Okay, let me just copy from here, and okay, no rush, okay, default variant. I think then we needed to go to price, and then there was RR, something like that. Let me copy this from the browser, and RRP price, and I wanna add 2 mon, okay, it's not in dollar or pound, okay, so we want to add this string, which is for Iranian currency, 2 mon, but you know that it is an integer, okay, it is not a list, I mean it is not a string. That's why I'm gonna convert it into string, okay, and yeah. And I said that sometimes it's not available. That's why I'm gonna say that, okay, if pro, I mean if it is available, okay, if pro default variant available, you have to do this, else you should return for example none, okay, or maybe none. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And also I want to use this for the incredible price, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, for incredible price. And then instead of RRP price, we should take the selling price. Okay, I cannot copy that from that part. Okay, we should use the selling price. Okay, because I checked this website before and sometimes there is no price. That's why I'm putting some if a statement here, and RRP price, and instead of, I mean, selling price for incredible price. Okay, that is okay. I think now we have everything that we want. If you're interested in more details and more data, you can go deeper and add more information. Okay, let me just run this code for the first page. For doing that, I just need to put a break here, and it only scrape data from the first page. And but before that, I want to print the parsed data. Okay, I hope we don't encounter any errors. Nice. Append. Okay, it's not a, it's a Python. Okay, and oh, we should put it in dictionary because we are creating a dictionary. Okay, nice. Oh, so fast. Okay, for the first page. Okay, is it okay? Yeah, product ID, the title, and product URL, and also the images, and also the thumbnail URL. As I said, some products have some thumbnail, and also it is the WebP image. So where is the colors? Yeah, colors, for example, it is mesh key, and it has its hex code, interesting, and other things. Okay, so we are in a good place. Okay, hopefully. So we do not need this break, and we do not need this print. What's next? Okay, I think we are done. Okay, congrats. So now you know how to scrape data from infinite scroll. Okay, there is always some APIs. I mean, there are some APIs, and you need to just check the network tab. Okay, so if you're interested, just let me know. I create a course for network tab. So now I want to save this data for all available, 19 pages, to a JSON file. Okay, so I say that file name maybe is equal to out.json. Okay, and I want to say that, okay, with open let me just see everything is okay. Yeah, with open for that file name in current directory in writing mode, because we don't want to append anything to it, but we are dealing with some Persian or maybe Arabic data. Okay, that's why we need to use the encoding to UTF-8. Okay, UTF-8. Okay, because we don't want to miss characters. And as file maybe. Nice. And then here we simply say, okay, JSON dump. It also, it converted into into a JSON format. I'm not sure about this. The explanation, I just know how it works. Okay, it does two jobs. Okay, and it converts and also saves the data. Okay, instead of file.write. Okay, and we say that what we want to put there, we want to put this list which has all available data that were appended by using this for loop, and we want to put them in file. okay, that we just opened here. And also I want to say I don't know what is this, but I think it is for some characters maybe. I think we do not need this one here. Okay, let me just run this code and see. And intent for putting some space, I mean when it want to create that JSON format, to just make it more readable. Okay, and at the end we want to say that okay, data saved to file name maybe. So okay, nice. Let me just run this code. I'm not sure about that ensure axial. So I think I should put that into files. Okay, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Yeah, nice. Okay, we are in a good, we are ready to go. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, the titles are not readable. Ow. Because yeah, everything is fine. Okay, just the title is not readable, and we should add this ensure ASCII for maybe UTF-8 encoding. Okay, mainly we extract data from English websites. I mean, we do not this. Oh my god, I should send another request. I hope I don't get banned. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. So we are okay. I mean, we just extracted data from this website. We have the titles, we have the colors. Let's see how many detail and information we just extracted from that website. 10,000. Oh my god. Nice. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something crazy and practical. And as I said before, there is a written article out there. Don't miss my course, web scraping for infants, which is completely free. And yeah, and let me use my favorite JSON crack. Okay, maybe we do not need to use that. Oh, because it is 10,000 data. Okay, and yeah, so if you learned something, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you're new and watching this video for the first time, my name is Amir. You're watching me on CodeMate TV. I create content about web scraping, automation, sometimes about computer vision, which is my favorite area. And that's it, and I hope to see you in the next video, guys.